Assalamu alaikum. I am Mr. Sakib-Ahmod, applicant for the position of lecturer, CSE, 60th Faculty Selection of Green University, Bangladesh. The topic of my presentation is Big Data Analytics in Healthcare. I will cover up the following topics today. So, here is the objective of today's learning: to demonstrate the basic knowledge of big data and to learn different applications of healthcare through the development of big data analytics. Now, let's start with the introduction first. Let's start with the introduction first. At first, we need to know what big data analysis stands for. Big data is massive size data that are very useful in solving problems. In healthcare every day, data of huge number of patients are collected in every second, even now. So that is how the healthcare is related to big data. Big data analytics refers to examining the data for making useful patterns from it. Now the question is how these data are collected. That is none other than data selection strategies. I'm sure that you have shopped from these famous e-commerce platforms. Data is available in our country, although the Amazon is not available. So when you shop online today, you can see that every data is collected whenever you click on a product. You might not know, but it happens. Whenever you add whenever you add a product on a cart, it just tracks all your data. Even if you take time longer than other products, the system identifies it as well. So it identifies your behavioral pattern. This is how everything runs on the e-commerce platform. And the healthcare does the same. They know and track all the information about a patient. The only difference here is that the healthcare tracks data related to human health, like what kind of doses or treatments they take, what kind of medicines they take, and what type of diseases they're suffering from, and for how many days they're suffering from, what is the blood levels and oxygen levels in the body, etc. And then matches this information with the cloud and with the other people, with the other patients to compare them and make specialized treatments. So now here goes the applications in detail. At first, we'll talk about electronic health record. So electronic health record is a process of recording a patient's data digitally. The data is shared across other healthcare deliverers to better share the disease information and provide necessary treatment to the patient. Here the data is real-time and patient-centered. The record makes the information available instantly so that the patient can be treated immediately from the doctor. Now here is another topic from the application side, that is enhanced patient engagement. Patient engagement is enhanced with big data analytics. Wearable devices like smartwatches and health measurable devices track record of human body all the times. It has made the enhancement in patient engagement as well. Extensive data are systematically analyzed to detect patterns in patients so that the clinical can tailor individuals properly. Well, the informed strategic planning is happening here. After checking up of a patient, the result is analyzed among people to better know them, to better determine them, to better determine their diseases. And these checking up results are analyzed among people to know why some people are not interested in taking treatments. So demographic enhancement are also happening over people and informed strategic planning is happening. And here, with the help of tons of data, predictive analysis and suggestions can save life. And initial measures or prior measures can be taken for people to do the treatment carefully. And now, here is the top-notch topic of today's modern days, the remote telehealth. The remote telehealth is happening all over the world. Even from a distant place, people can be treated with care without having hustle or bustle or having paid for extra money. So as mentioned ago, the wearables and technologies send data and alerts in case of emergency to the doctors, and doctors can help out the patient immediately with real-time alerts for the clinicals. In time of danger, the doctors can come forward to help immediately with the help of big data analysis. So now here's the conclusion. We generate huge data more than maybe the history of all the previous history we have surpassed it, and now we are generating more data than the previous. So this data needs to be used properly so that the time can be saved and cost can be minimized. And finally, healthcare can only benefit from big data when it is made structure relevant, smart, and accessible information for all sort of people. So that's all for today from me. Here's the references you can see. Thank you for watching.